Hey, Sean Devlin, the Mortgage Shoot Man, coming at you with Whacked Out Wednesday. It's whacked out that these points aren't known. What we're going to do, we are going to go over the 5 main benefits that I see that other people should be educated on, loan officers and the general public, on why a mortgage broker is better. So, check it out. Number 1. As a mortgage broker has the ability to partner with many different banks. And as a result, a direct lender like a little local credit union bank that does mortgages, oftentimes they have one rate sheet and only a handful of products. Whereas a mortgage broker can have those same handful of products with many different lenders. So they can have hundreds of products with 50 different lenders, for example, giving that consumer more options. So, second major advantage of working with a mortgage broker. I think this is overlooked a lot of times as a negative from a loan officer's perspective, but that's because they have to take an extra test. But in actuality, if you can think about it, a mortgage broker has to take a national SAFE test and be licensed in the state for which they do business. So if they're licensed in many different states, they have to take an individual test for every single state. Someone at a bank, a national bank or credit union, something like that, national mortgage company, they're looking at, from a FDIC perspective, one test that loan officer has to take, the federal SAFE test, and they're done. So, a lot of times those guys don't have the education or training that the mortgage brokers do. From the perspective of licensing and laws and the lending laws in any one given state that they do business in. It's actually an advantage of working with a mortgage broker. Third, the aspect of having many different lenders, a mortgage broker is oftentimes exposed to more, I'd say, advanced technology and resources at their fingertips with many different lenders. Whereas somebody at a direct bank or federal credit union, what have you, they only have the resources and the technology that is available to them at that bank. So, a mortgage broker being signed up with 50 different lenders has these individual portals and various things. A lot of times, a wholesale lender, like myself, we want to add value to our business partners, so we give them tools, resources, etc. Well, when you partner with me, I give you a ton of different resources that are even outside of my own lender. Well, this is the value add that I proposed to my business partners over the years. Well, this applies to all brokers. So, if you're working with a mortgage broker, you're probably going to be rest assured that that guy or gal has access to the best resources and best technology to actually help you. Fourth, a mortgage broker is going to stimulate the local economy more than the local bank guy or gal. The federal credit union, the bank, the mortgage company in town, oftentimes they have a building. They have various different, overhead, popcorn machines, a bunch of staff, etc. Well, think of it this way. The larger the mortgage company, more than likely, the more the spread of the profit on the loan they're keeping for the house, the less the loan officer gets. The small mortgage brokers of the world, the small businesses, don't have that. They just don't have all the overhead that a big bank would. So oftentimes, the pay to the loan officer is greater. It's kind of a widely known subject in the industry, but the idea is this is a benefit. So if you want to stimulate your local economy, use a mortgage broker. Fifth and final mention today. Tomorrow I'm going to do a segment on one of the biggest advantages, which is what I'm going to talk about right now, for mortgage brokers and how they can help the general consumers. So they have 2 ways that they can technically get paid. What they do, what the lending laws allow, is it allows for that loan officer to make things happen for the consumer, such as be competitive with rates and fees, such as offer a different products, for example, to being able to make the loan happen. Again, being short funds to close, giving credits when credits are needed. There's various different flexibility that a mortgage broker has that a regular bank does not. And it's called lender paid versus borrower paid. Tomorrow, I'm going to go over some of the aspects of lender paid and borrower paid to help you loan officers understand the difference. Today, I wanted to highlight these 5 things that separate a mortgage broker from the general public, from the mortgage banking world. So, help maybe give some more insight to the general public of why a mortgage broker is better. So, if you're looking for a mortgage, look up your local mortgage broker. We would love to help you. My name is Sean Devlin, the Mortgage Truth Man. I'm here to help serve those small businesses of America. If you're a mortgage broker, let's connect. I would love to help you fund some loans with your own local clients. As I always say, share, interact, like, repeat. As always, so well. Have a good one.